What's up, guys? Welcome to another tip here. And today, nasty job is we're gonna have to take the water out of the dishwasher. You know, when the water just stuck in there, the dishwasher is not draining, so we're trying to fix it. We have another video on how to fix your dishwasher when it's not draining. But check it out. The reason we're doing this video is to find out about this tool. I bought it on Amazon. I put the link in the description for you guys to check it out. So this is how we're gonna use it. We're gonna pump it, and we're gonna pump it into this bucket. And it needs to be out of there. All right, so let's show you how it works. This hand pump is great. Don't forget to check it out in our Amazon store. Also in the video description for you guys to check it out. And it's also a great way to help this channel out to keep making more videos like this.
And remember, guys, if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the post notification bell so you will never miss out on any future adventures.
It's free and it would tremendously help our channel grow.
And if you're new here and don't know who we are just pros who travel with their parents and show you fun and adventurous places. And in some cases, help you out with tips and hacks. Life is beautiful, so come see it with those bros.
All right, guys, so what you do is like, buy this thing from Amazon, and it's actually a pump. So basically what you do is one side of the hose, you put them in the water, where the water is, and the other side of the hose, you put them in the bucket. All right. So then what you do is you start pumping here, and then we'll transfer the water from one spot to another. And it's gonna take a few pumps until it starts working properly. So just, give them a few pumps, and then the water is gonna start pumping from one side to another. This tool is a time saver, and when you check it out in the description, you'll see that the pump is not only to pump water from one side to another, you can also use it to inflate, deflate, and many other uses. Check them all out when you see this tool. And yes, pros probably have a better tool to do this, but when you're doing a DIY, this pump is great to pull water from one side to another, and it also does many other jobs. But hey, don't be getting any funny ideas. Don't try to pump gas out of your neighbor that you hate so much. I can already see you guys thinking about it, eh? The pump works really good, guys. So don't forget, if you guys are gonna buy it, try to buy it for the link. It will help this channel out, and it will help us make more videos like this. And don't forget that we do travel videos, but eventually we'll hit you up with a DIY video. And here are 2 more for you to check it out. So don't forget that the best way to help this channel out is by hitting that like button so YouTube will promote this video and help others like you find this great tool.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Those bros, we out.